Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0851, associated with the Honda HRV models from 2016 to 2022, refers to a low-voltage condition in the neutral position sensor A circuit. This sensor plays a crucial role in detecting the transmission's neutral position, informing the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, for vehicle operation. The sensor's location is generally near the transmission assembly, where it connects to a 4-pin connector. A malfunction here can significantly impact vehicle performance, safety, and drivability. Understanding the nature of this sensor and the significance of the error code can lead to effective troubleshooting and repair. Before initiating any repairs, it's essential to understand the diagnostic process outlined effectively in the troubleshooting guide. The DTC P0851 indicates a low-voltage condition in the neutral position sensor A circuit. The neutral position sensor is critical for detecting whether the transmission is in a neutral position, which impacts the functioning of various vehicle systems, including transmission control. Located near the transmission assembly, the sensor connects to a 4P connector, facilitating communication with the PCM. This circuit's electrical performance is paramount for accurate feedback to the PCM, which utilizes this data to optimize engine and transmission functionality. A fault in this component can trigger a range of issues, including compromised transmission operation and potential safety hazards. Thus, addressing the DTC P0851 promptly is vital to restore vehicle performance. Several factors can contribute to the DTC P0851 error code. A faulty neutral position sensor itself can cause inaccurate voltage readings, triggering this code. Loose or corroded connections can also disrupt proper signal transmission between the sensor and the PCM, resulting in a low voltage condition. Additionally, wiring issues such as open circuits or shorts in the VCC2 or NSS1 lines can lead to this problem. Lastly, a defective PCM or outdated software can negatively affect the overall communication, further complicating the issue. Identifying these possible causes is crucial in performing effective diagnostics and ensuring proper repair processes. The DTC P0851 may manifest itself through various symptoms. One common indication is erratic transmission behavior. The vehicle may slip gears or hesitate during acceleration. Additionally, the check engine light typically illuminates on the dashboard, signaling an underlying issue needing attention. In some cases, the vehicle might not start at all, particularly if the engine control unit misinterprets the sensor's readings. Transmission shifting may also be affected, leading to either hard shifts or inability to shift gears properly. Recognizing these symptoms can greatly assist in the initial diagnostics and may provide clues to the specific malfunction's location. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC P0851 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode and clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This action ensures that previously stored trouble codes are erased from the memory, allowing for an accurate diagnosis based on current vehicle conditions. Once the DTC has been cleared, the next step is to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs once again. If the P0851 code returns, this indicates a confirmed failure, leading to further diagnostic steps. However, if no codes are indicated, this could suggest an intermittent issue, possibly requiring inspection of related connections or terminals to ensure they are secure and free of corrosion. In the second troubleshooting step, it's crucial to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs utilizing the HDS. Specifically, you're looking for the presence of DTC P0851, along with DTC P1707, which is another related code that may indicate issues with the neutral position sensor B circuit. Finding both codes present simultaneously suggests a broader problem affecting the neutral sensing system, warranting further investigation. If only one code appears, it indicates that the other sensor may not be the source of the issue, allowing you to focus solely on DTC P0851 for the next troubleshooting measures. Establishing the exact nature of the DTCs can help pinpoint the area that demands attention and repair. In this step, first turn the vehicle to the off lock mode before proceeding to disconnect the neutral position sensor's 4P connector. At this point, it is crucial to ensure safety and prevent any unintended electrical issues. Then, switch the vehicle back to on mode. This allows you to measure the voltage between the sensor's test points to determine if approximately 5 volts is present at the circuit. If the voltage reads correctly, it indicates the neutral position sensor may be the faulty component triggering DTC P0851. On the other hand, if the voltage is below expectations, the fault may lie elsewhere in the circuitry or wiring, necessitating a more in-depth investigation. The fourth step involves conducting an open wire check of the VCC2 line. Start by ensuring the vehicle is in the off-lock mode and jump the SCS line using the HDS. Disconnect the PCM connector B for the next phase of testing. By examining continuity between specified test points, you can identify whether the VCC2 wire exhibits continuity. If continuity is confirmed, the wire itself is functioning correctly. In this case, you may need to update the PCM with the latest software or replace it with a known good unit. However, should continuity be absent, it indicates an open wire situation, necessitating repairs to the VCC2 wire between the PCM and the neutral position sensor. Step 5 begins by ensuring the vehicle is turned off and disconnecting the neutral position sensor's 4P connector. Following this, use a jumper wire to connect terminal A and terminal B within the connector. This step allows you to mimic the neutral position, setting the stage for accurate voltage assessment. Next, power the vehicle to the on mode and check the voltage parameters displayed on the HDS. Specifically, ensure that the reading for the neutral position sensor is around 5 volts. If this ideal voltage is observed, it confirms that the sensor is indeed the faulty component and should be replaced. If not, further inspection steps will be required. This step focuses on diagnosing the NSS1 line for any open wire issues. Again, start by ensuring the vehicle is in off-lock mode, followed by jumping the SCS line with the HDS. Disconnect the PCM connector B51P to isolate the circuit. Checking the continuity between the designated test points will reveal whether the NSS1 wire is open. A confirmed continuity means the NSS1 line isn't the likely culprit, allowing you to proceed to the next troubleshooting step. On the contrary, if continuity is absent, it indicates an open circuit fault that warrants immediate repair to establish a proper connection between the PCM and the neutral position sensor. In the final step of the troubleshooting process, assess the NSS1 wire for any shorts by checking for continuity to ground. Again, ensure that both the PCM and the neutral position sensor connectors are disconnected to prevent cross-circuit issues. This check confirms whether a short to ground is present in the NSS1 wiring, which could cause a low voltage reading, thus triggering the DTC P0851. If continuity exists, it indicates a short in this wire, necessitating immediate repair. If there is no continuity, the NSS1 wire is confirmed functional, and you may need to update the PCM software or replace the unit. Properly following through with these steps is critical in resolving the DTC P0851 error efficiently. After completing all the troubleshooting steps and repairs associated with DTC P0851, it's essential to carry out a final verification process. This involves performing a thorough check of the entire system to ensure that all connections are secure and any components replaced are functioning correctly. Clear any remaining DTCs using the HDS to reset the computer's memory, allowing a fresh start for the diagnostics. Monitor the vehicle for any recurrence of the issue, confirming that the original DTC P0851 is no longer present. This step is crucial in ensuring the repairs were successful and the vehicle is safe for operation on the road. Preventive maintenance plays a key role in avoiding DTC P0851 from reoccurring in Honda HRV models. One important aspect is regularly inspecting the vehicle's wiring, particularly in areas prone to wear or damage. Ensuring the integrity of the connectors is equally important, as any corrosion or looseness can lead to erroneous readings and trigger the DTC. Additionally, keeping the PCM software updated is an effective way to mitigate potential issues caused by outdated programming. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule that includes these checks can significantly enhance vehicle reliability and performance. Taking these preventive measures will help ensure long-lasting functionality of the neutral position sensor and the entire system. In conclusion, diagnosing DTC P0851 effectively involves recognizing key symptoms early, such as erratic transmission behavior and the illumination of the check engine light. Following the systematic troubleshooting steps outlined ensures a logical approach to identifying the root cause, whether it's a sensor issue, wiring defect, or PCM problem. Effective communication with the HDS is crucial throughout this process, allowing for accurate readings and confirmations. Conducting preventive maintenance checks regularly can also prevent this DTC from re-emerging, ensuring a smoother driving experience. Ultimately, understanding the intricacies of the DTC P0851 allows technicians and owners alike to maintain vehicle integrity and performance efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.